Greetings and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom, our mini sidebar. And if you're not familiar with what sidebar is, that's our monthly newsletter. You can see going across the bottom of the screen how to sign up for that if you're not already on our distribution list. But in the meantime, I am here this week to talk about life insurance. If you don't have it, get it. If you have it, and let's say your life's situation has changed for you. Have you updated your beneficiaries? Do you even know who you listed as your beneficiary or beneficiaries if you have more than one? If you can even have more than one. When was the last time you checked all of that? So I'm just asking these questions because things can happen in the blink of an eye. And if your life insurance policy doesn't list the correct beneficiaries, guess what? That's one of those things that doesn't get probated. So it doesn't go back to your estate unless you specifically name your estate as the beneficiary of that policy. But if you've named a person, a spouse, a child, a friend, a charity, whatever it is, and let's say that spouse is now your ex-spouse, you have a new spouse, or whatever the case may be, things have changed for you in your family situation. You want to make sure you circle back around to that life insurance policy and update it appropriately, because after the fact, there's not going to be much that anybody can do with that if it's not the person or people you want it to be. So double check what you have. If you don't have one in place, get something in place. If for nothing else, to maybe cover your funeral expenses or your last few bills or some of your debt for your estate, so your loved ones left handling your affairs won't have that to worry about. Okay, so just a quick little nugget based on some things that have happened recently with some clients of mine, and I really don't want that to happen to you. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.